Many English learners know the word along, but they are not always sure how to use it correctly. Does it mean next to something, or does it mean following something? In this episode, we'll clearly understand how along is used to describe position and direction. Welcome back to our prepositions and position word series. In the previous episode, we learned in the center of, which focuses on exact central position. Today, we'll learn along, a very common preposition used to describe position following the length of something. Along means position beside something and following its length. It shows that something extends or happens next to a long object like a road, river, wall, or line. For example, they are walking along the road. This tells us they are walking beside the road and following its direction. Near only means close. Along means close and following the length. This difference is very important to understand. When talking about roads, we often say, there are many shops along the street. This means the shops are spread beside the street from start to end. For rivers, we also use along. Small villages are built along the river. This shows the villages follow the river's path. A common mistake is using on instead of along. We say, trees grow along the road, not on the road. For example, posters are placed along the wall. This shows the posters follow the wall's length. To remember this easily, think of along as walking with something from one end to the other. Now that the meaning is clear, let's move into daily life sentence examples. As we go through them, notice how along always connects with long objects or paths. Let's start with a very common action. He is jogging along the path. This shows movement following the path's length. Now, let's look at objects. Streetlights are placed along the road. They follow the road from one end to the other. Let's move to a relaxing scene. People are sitting along the river. This shows they are positioned beside the river. Now consider boundaries. A fence runs along the field. The fence follows the edge of the field. Let's look at city life. There are cafes along the street. They are spread beside the street. Now imagine a holiday scene. They walked along the beach. This means they walked beside the shoreline. Let's move to transport. The train stopped along the platform. This shows alignment with the platform's length. Now consider water transport. Boats are parked along the canal. They follow the canal's direction. Let's look at nature. Trees are planted along the highway. They extend beside the road. Finally, here's a lively example. The parade moved along the main road. This shows movement following the road's length. Let's recap. Along is used to describe position or movement beside something and following its length. It is commonly used with roads, rivers, walls, paths, and lines. That's how we use the preposition along. It helps describe direction and position clearly and naturally. In the next episode, we'll learn around or round, which describes movement or position in a circular way. Keep watching and continue mastering English step by step.